Good morning. So I'm driving to work and I'm feeling a little discombobulated. So I wanted to do a quick video. Just going through a day in the life. Now, I am a very busy person. I work. I have so many responsibilities, 3 children, multiple properties. The head of the household. I do everything. So a typical day for me is I'm driving to work and I'm making my to-do list for the day in my mind. So I'm looking through my car, which is a mess right now, and I'm like, okay, I need a piece of paper. So I grab an old envelope and I rip off a page just to start my to-do list as I'm driving. And so I said, I need to capture this moment because this is typically how my days go. So I start off in the morning, I look around my car and I realize that I gotta go to Home Depot so that I can get shop vac attachment hose so I can vacuum out my car, because I hate going to the actual car wash place to vacuum out my car because of the time restraints. Like, they only give you, I think, a few minutes, 5 or 10 minutes to vacuum out your whole car, and then I don't like being out of my comfort zone of my driveway. So I told myself I need to get the attachments, and so I keep forgetting. So that's on my to-do list. I gotta drop off a water bill to one of my properties. I have to go to Walmart or Target, whichever one is closer to wherever I'm at today, to get some lotion and toothpaste and things like that for the house. And I gotta take my son to get a haircut at 6:30. I gotta book a hotel room because this weekend I gotta go to Pittsburgh for my daughter's gymnastics states competition. And then I gotta food prep for the week and then make my monthly budget. So I just jumped on here because I'm like, this is crazy. This is my day. This is how my days go. I'm like going. But I'm just so happy to be able to do everything. I'm blessed and fortunate, and so even with being super busy, it allows me the opportunity to I'm sorry, I meant to say I'm grateful that I'm able to check everything off my list daily. So I just wanted to jump on and say that throughout the day, I think I'm going to show you what my days are like, because it's a beautiful day. First of all, I'm about to open the sunroof. It's a beautiful day. The streets are crazy, like potholes and stuff all over the place because all of that snow that we got in Philadelphia. And my visor is full of documents because I've been just going. I need a personal assistant. That's what I need. But it's a beautiful day. It's going to be 80 plus degrees today, like around 82. So I can't wait to get out of the office. I might leave a little early just to enjoy some of the weather and get some of my things knocked off. Or during mid-afternoon, I may just take a extended break. And I have to go to the produce junction to get a lot of my meal prep stuff because I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat I gotta go to the market at least once a week to get the supplies that I need for the week, because everything I make is perishable and it goes bad really fast. So I gotta utilize everything in my refrigerator within 7 days. So every week I go to the market. I try to make it a Wednesday because it's midweek, so I'll have enough for the weekend, and I'm not putting too much on my weekends because usually my weekends is jam-packed. So anyway, that's why I just want to come on and say good morning and start my day. And I'm going to take you with me today on my day-to-day. And there's so many things that's going on that I kind of want to touch on that I've been doing and trying before I start talking about it, like some stuff with my hair and my skin and my teeth. And so all natural things, because I've been in that direction for so long, and a lot of people ask me questions about my friends and family ask me questions about different things, so I figure I share like little stuff that I've tried and then I know is tried and true. So anyway, I'm pulling up to my first destination, and I'll talk later. So I'm in the middle of my running around, and I decided to take a break. So I just pulled over to this park that's around, and I'm just sitting here in the grass on a blanket with usually I would have like a smoothie or something, but today I kind of stopped impromptu. I wasn't prepared for this, but it's so nice outside today. My hair looks crazy because the wind is blowing, but I feel so good and relaxed. The scene is amazing. I'm going to read my book, write a little bit, just reflect on stuff, and enjoy this weather. It's like so nice. So my current read, I don't know if you can see, is Oldie But Goodie, The Alchemist. So haven't read this book in a few years. I'm about to start from scratch and see what different phases in my life, what new perspective I'm going to get from the book. But yeah, I always keep a blanket in my trunk for times where I just want to do exactly what I'm doing. Sometimes you just need to kick off your shoes and enjoy Mother Nature, especially on days where you're super busy running around trying to get most things done. I did check off like 5 things off my list today so far, in addition to working, so I deserve a treat. I'm probably gonna get a water ice on my way back to the office and just kind of relax. But I just wanted to pop in. It's a part of my day. Like I said, you're gonna come with me today. I did go to Walmart already, and so yeah, this is just like a little 15-minute break.